Members of the Food Standards Agency have paid a visit to Swansea University, allowing staff members on the ALG-AD project to showcase their work. The ALG-AD project is aiming to create a circular economy, using waste nutrients produced from the anaerobic digestion process to grow algae. The algal biomass produced will then be transformed into animal feed and other value products. The FSA staff were treated to a tour of the aquaculture facilities, followed by presentations on ALG-AD and a select few projects currently ongoing at the university.
Really interesting, and I think they really appreciated the opportunity to get to know what we do here.
Why is it important for the project to be speaking to people like the FSA?
Well, actually, with ALG-AD, as we are trying to develop animal feed out of algae biomass, it's really important that we speak to regulatory body like the FSA, who are, the principal UK body who looks into, food and feed regulation and policies. So it was really key that we put our point across and that we show them that we're really keen to have them on board of the project throughout, really.
FSA members were curious about the project and about its potential in the future.
They mainly ask only few questions on what are the barriers from scale-up side, from small scale to large scale, and we answer them satisfactorily. And apart from that, they ask about introduction of genetically engineered strains, which definitely what we are doing here, we are just setting up a platform and which opens up set of new opportunities to explore further. They quite like the novel idea of using nutrient remediation from the anaerobic digestion industry. So we mainly remediating the nitrogen and phosphorus, and they were quite fascinated by that idea that we are looking after that waste and trying to produce the high value products using microalgae.
Yeah, it was really positive overall. I think they were really interested in understanding the technology we're looking at producing, its commercial opportunity, but also the circular economy objective that we're trying to do here. They all understand the potential of algae in food and feed, but explaining it in a practical way and how we're planning to involve all the stakeholders in this journey with us was, I think, a really interesting offer for them.
The project started in earnest this summer, and the team is about to see the completion of its first deliverable, the construction of 3 large-scale photobioreactors.
And basically producing algal biomass using the digestate, feeding the algae on the nutrients which we're trying to repurpose and transform into animal feed. So that's coming up hopefully by the end of the year, and then those will start generating biomass which we can look into a bit further.
You can find out more about the project on our website and by following us on Twitter.